In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an expense category on Freshbooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a custom category, classify it correctly, and keep your reports clean and easy to read. Start by opening your browser and searching for Freshbooks. In the results, click the official Freshbooks site. Once the page loads, choose Login and sign into your account. After you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. Look to the left-hand navigation and click Expenses to open your expenses area. On the Expenses page, click New Expense to start a fresh entry, which is also where you can create a new category. In the expense form, find the Category field and select the option to add category. Type the name of your new category exactly as you want it to appear across your books. Keep names short, clear, and consistent. Think software subscriptions instead of something vague. This helps you and your accountant quickly understand what's included. When you've typed the category name, click Create. This adds the category to your account so you can use it now and in the future. Next, make sure it's classified correctly. Click Expense Type to open the choices. Select operating expense if this category covers everyday costs that keep your business running, like rent, utilities, subscriptions, or marketing. Choose cost of goods sold if the cost is directly tied to producing or delivering what you sell, like raw materials, packaging, or subcontracted production. Picking the right type ensures your profit and loss statement is accurate and that gross margin reflects reality. To keep your chart of accounts organized, you can also place the new category under a broader heading. Click Group under Parent Account, then choose the parent that best fits from the list. Grouping related categories helps you roll up totals neatly in reports and makes month-end reviews much faster. Once the category name, type, and parent are set, click Save. That saves your expense and locks in the new category so it appears in your dropdowns going forward. The next time you create an expense, simply select this category. No need to recreate it. A few quick tips as you work. Use consistent naming and capitalization to avoid duplicates. Choose the correct expense type the first time to prevent reclassification later. And if you're unsure which type to use, align with your accountant's guidance or your tax reporting needs. That way your books stay accurate and your reports stay clear. And that's it. You've successfully added an expense category in Freshbooks, categorized it properly, and organized it under a parent account for cleaner reporting. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.